In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Microsoft Excel. Keeping Excel up to date is essential because it ensures that you're running the latest version with all the new features and security updates. Let's dive into the process to make sure your Excel is as efficient and secure as possible. First, you need to open Microsoft Excel. This is the starting point for our process. Go ahead and find the Excel icon in your Start menu, desktop, or taskbar, wherever you've placed it for easy access. Click on it to open the program. Once Excel is running, you'll be looking at either a new blank workbook or one of your recent files. Our next step is to navigate to the File tab. If you're not familiar with the ribbon, it's a strip of buttons and icons located at the top of the window. The File tab is usually the first tab on the left-hand side. Clicking this will open a new menu where you can access various options related to your account, document management, and more. Now that you're in the File menu, look towards the left-hand menu for an option labeled Account. Depending on your version of Excel, this might also read as Office Account. Click on this to open your account settings, which include details about your products such as version numbers and licensing information. In the Account section, you'll find a section called Product Information. This is an important area because it's where we'll manage updates and learn more about your current setup. Under this section, locate the drop-down menu labeled Update Options. This menu is designed to provide quick access to update controls. Go ahead and click the Update Options menu. In this drop-down, you'll see several choices pertaining to how updates are managed. But for our purpose, all we need is the option that says Update Now. Clicking this will prompt Excel to check online for any available updates. If there are updates available for your installation, Excel will begin downloading and installing them right away. And that's it. You've now successfully checked for updates in Microsoft Excel. By following these steps, you ensure that your version of Excel is up to date with the latest features and security improvements. It's a good habit to periodically check for updates to ensure your software stays in peak condition. Thank you for watching, and happy Excelling!